So I just found another coat. I'm like, another coat. Must have like a dozen coats in the basement. This is a Didrikson. It's, I think Danish or Norwegian. And it's not mine, it's Jürgen's. But I think I'm gonna keep it. It actually looks pretty good. Big pockets. It's so warm. And it's way better quality than the ones I have. Oh my gosh, the pockets are like way up here. Oh, and it's brand new too. I'm gonna have to keep this. Oh, but it's so warm. And the interior, let's see what it's made of. Gonna take this bad boy off. Look at that. And this. That feels so nice. So it's a firm fit. The other side. Okay. Okay. So this is what we got. Look at that. Nice netting. And here, straps. Secret pockets. Oh my god. Didrikson. Let's learn about it. Secret pocket with things inside. Let's find out. Didrikson, 1913. Let's see. In 1913, Julius and Hannah Didrikson started up the manufacturing of oil-treated garments in Grundsund, Sweden. Oh, it's a Swedish coat. Oh, it's waterproof too. Wonder what it cost him. Knowing Jürgen, he likes to spend money on things. He doesn't care about prices too. What else is in there? Going to keep that inside. Did he walk around with the information, the documentation on the coat? Oh, what's this for? Oh, what's this for? Media cord? Do you fish your cord through there somehow? Wow. Didrikson 1913 storm system. Oh, I'm totally keeping this. And then here's another pocket. Side pockets here. Wow, this is super. And it's so soft. And it's brand new. Too bad it's brown, but looking at his pocket here. That's good. High quality, so I'm gonna put this with my stuff. Just inherited myself a coat. Sure did. Unless maybe Wesley wants it one day. And then here's some. I'll take these into the other room as well. He used to wear my old shorts that I brought with me to Cleveland. Well, I don't think I'm gonna keep those. I could put this here. Okay. Oops. Show the first thing. Oh, it smells like his sweat. Have to wash it. And this is from his work. He did some races for his work. Tomorrow Focus. Okay. It's one of the magazines. So that has to get washed. And here, it's got his name on it. Jürgen. Oh, I remember this. Look here. Wildschützen Obergang Koffen. This is what he wore when he went shooting with a club. It's like sports clothes, so they all look alike. And these were mine. Well, he stretched them out. They're garbage now. Those go in the garbage. What's this? Oh, cool. A pair of rain pants. This would be perfect. I can use them myself. Jürgen and I were the same size. So that's excellent, right?